Nothing beats a fun summer picnic on the beach. Especially when it comes with free watermelons. Oh, let's crack this sucker open like a coconut. Wow, and it's filled with all sorts of blocks, too. We can use it to make some familiar faces. Picnics are always better with friends, unless they're ants. But I'm sure Oren and Gugu aren't ants, I think. Wow, you two are really animated. Now we can have some fun. Hungry? Makes sense. The food is blocks around here. But these apples seem okay. What? Are you carnivores? Well, that answers that. But it's a dog-eat-dog world. Aw, he just can't stay mad at you two. You just know they're all gonna sleep good tonight. But I think these two need to rest up a bit. Besides, those sausages were only the appetizer. We brought our special portable grill. And it even runs on the power of imagination. Sure, propane tastes better, but it's cost-effective. Nothing beats a burger for a beach day. Bacon and eggs on the side? Now that's what I call brunch. At Oren's size, the beach is like wandering the desert. Yeah, bury him in the sand. He needs a nap. Speaking of which, look who's up now. Oh, that makes you our buried treasure. But if you want to play in the sand, use a shovel. Can you dig it? Don't forget, it's important to hydrate. What did I tell you? Sand is no match for Ultra Oren. Wow, is he building a pyramid? Without aliens? Wait, no, it's a sandcastle. But what a castle. And Oren's the king of this castle.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, look, this beach has got a playground. Why don't we start with the slide? Ooh, climb up and see what it leads to. Wow, it's like your own tree fort. Not sure how we got here, but I'm not complaining. Ooh, a rock climbing wall, but wood. Uh-oh, I forgot that outside had bees. Oh, you guys don't look so good. But we brought first aid. A toy set? That's just what the doctor ordered. For cartoon characters. Why don't you lie down? We'll take care of you. This ointment will help cool things off. Ah, you feel better, but you don't look good. Don't worry, it's nothing a little shower can't fix. But at your size, the sink might work better. Okay, you guys want the tub? But can you handle the tub?
Okay.
Say hello to our little friend, the shower head. Oh, do we have to send you guys to the groomer? Okay, you guys would prefer a bath. Make that bubble bath. Do you need a rubber ducky? Guess Oren likes to make his own water slide. Wow, it sure is better down where it's wetter. But I think we need to keep Oren safe at home. Somebody's getting another bath. Come on, guys. Let's take you to the romper room. Let's roll out the red carpet for you. Well, the yellow mat. 'Cause it's time we do some morning stretches. Sure, it's the afternoon, but we've clearly been busy. Hey, why don't you guys join us too? How about we start with a little weightlifting? See, you can get hurt if you don't know what to do. First things first, hydrate. Drink some water. Not too much. Oh, water's a terrible thing to waste. We're gonna need something to size things out. And look cute while doing it, like this bunny fountain. Just add the water and make sure it's screwed on tight. Now place the right amount in a right-sized cup and enjoy. But you know, exercise can be more fun with friends. Why don't we make this a workout party? Sure, all our friends have a bit of a soft touch, but something tells me the name of the game is wrestling. Of course, Gugu and Oren are our local heavyweights. Heavy lies the head that bears the crown. But somebody has to clean up all this mess. A camera? Did it record? We can sell the fight on pay-per-view. Or, you know, find out who did it. Never mind, a cartoon cloud covered it up. Hate when that happens. Either way, it's time to start the investigation. Where's Sherlock when you need him? Or Scooby-Doo? Aha! The usual suspects. Let's let the punishment fit the crime. The two of you need to take out the trash. Okay, you've paid your debt to society. How about a treat? Like a special mystery blind box. Of course, every Happy Meal comes with a prize. But you don't expect it to bite you back. See? It's a toy. Okay, maybe its bite is worse than its bark. Cool. This next toy is a shapeshifter. Just look at it stretch. Wow, these two sure do scare easily. But put it away. It's starting to creep me out. Finally, we got some food with our meal. Oh, it's a cute little dumpling. But I don't think it's the eating kind. Either way, it comes in all sorts of flavors. Of course, we saved the best for last. The glitter dumpling. This one's a keeper. Don't worry, folks. They're cartoons. They can eat anything. They're basically goats. Well, if you want seconds, you'll have to play the game. No, not this one. How about round 2? Sorry, the glitter dumpling truly is an enigma. Let's look away before they get hungry. Anything left? Did we get fries with that? No, but we got blocks. We can use them to make all sorts of things. Like a brand new pad for our 2 favorite little buddies. And it looks like we've even made a brand new friend. Yeah, I know that's not how it goes. But you'd be surprised by how many things can spill. In the meantime, wrap string around a bottleneck. Now add a penguin, just to keep things on theme. And a little soap and water always go a long way. Just don't forget to mix it up and give our little friend a dip. Now make a wish and blow. Why don't you come with us? Here, step inside. Now that's our cue to make an exit. Aw, our new house guest is adorable. And she's got a lot of energy to burn. Hey, where'd you get that gum? Ugh, it's gonna blow! Well, on the bright side, it didn't get in your hair. Hey, bubblegum should always be used for good. But if you want to blow big bubbles, I think we can come up with something for you. Just need a balloon and a paper cup. And why not give it a cute bunny theme? She'll blow all the bubbles you want for you. Oh no! I just knew the cardboard boxes would revolt. Oh, it's just you. But it's not nice to scare people. Or take jobs from hardworking jack-in-the-boxes. Wait, that's it! Grab some paper. X marks the spot. Fold them up. And you get an open box. Next up, we're gonna need our own Jack. Except this Jack is a penguin girl. I'll call her Jackie. Add some wings and a paper staircase. Stick her inside and give her a push. Someone likes sweets. Wait till she finds out you can remove the wrappers. But you can't eat the entire bowl of candy. After all, there won't be enough for the rest of us. I know. What you need is a special cardboard box. With an even smaller box inside. And look, it's even got a special cardboard tongue. In fact, you know it's got good taste. There's an even bigger tongue. Look, it's a special penguin candy bank. Just press the beak, and the sweets are yours. Just at a slower, friendlier pace. Of course, she might have other ideas about that last part.